In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable Face ID for the App Store. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. You will be asked to enter your device's passcode to continue, and after that you will be taken to that screen. That's where we need to find iTunes and App Store, and all we have to do in order to enable Face ID on the iTunes and App Store is just toggle on that switcher. Once you toggle it on, you will be asked to enter the password for your Apple ID, and once you've done that, hit OK. After that, we can close Settings, and then if we head over to the App Store, and on the App Store, to get some app, we need to tap at Get. After that, we'll be asked to double click on the side button to install that app, and after that, it will require Face ID to confirm the installation. That's how you can easily enable Face ID on an iPhone, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.